Hello student, this is Rahul Sharma and our today's topic is TCP/IP protocol. And in this topic we will cover connection oriented and connectionless service, TCP/IP layer, difference between OSI and TCP/IP, connection oriented service. First of all, let me clear what is TCP/IP. TCP/IP is a internet protocol. It is a combination of transmission control protocol and internet protocol. Connection oriented service. Connection oriented service modeled offer the telephone system. In this model, like to talk to someone, pick up a phone, dial a number, talk and disconnect. Similarly, in the network, the service user will establish a connection, use the connection, release the connection. The sender, receiver and the internet may conduct a negotiation about data transfer speed, maximum message size, etc. कनेक्शन ओरिएंटेड सर्विस में जैसे कि हम लोग टेलीफोन सिस्टम यूज़ करते हैं, मतलब कि किसी से बात करना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ़ोन डायल नंबर डायल करना, कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश करना, कन्वर्सेशन और डिस्कनेक्शन. इसी तरह से नेटवर्क सिस्टम में भी एक कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश करना, कनेक्शन को यूज़ करना और रिलीज़ करना, ये कनेक्शन ओरिएंटेड सर्विस कहलाती है. कनेक्शन ओरिएंटेड सर्विस इज यूज्ड व्हेन रिलायबिलिटी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, फॉर फाइल ट्रांसफर वी वांट दैट all bits arrive correctly and in the order they were sent. Connectionless service. Connectionless service modeled after the postal system. Each message carries the full destination address. Each message is routed through the system independent of all others. If two messages are sent to the same destination, normally the first one to be sent should arrive first, but it is possible that second message arrive first. कनेक्शनलेस सर्विस में पोस्टल सिस्टम की तरह यूज़ किया जाता था. हर मैसेज फुल डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस को और हर मैसेज को सेम रूट के ज़रिए ट्रांसमिट किया. TCP/IP प्रोटोकॉल सूट. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, developed prior to the OSI model. Layers of TCP/IP do not match exactly with those in OSI model. It is used in Internet. Ability to connect multiple networks in a seamless way was one of the major design goal which led to development of TCP/IP. TCP/IP OSI की तरह ही एक लेयर्ड प्रोटोकॉल है, लेकिन TCP/IP की लेयर्स OSI के साथ मैच नहीं करती. TCP इंटरनेट यूज़ करने के लिए एस्टैब्लिश किया गया था. TCP/IP refers to collection of data communication protocol. This name TCP/IP is misleading because TCP and IP are only two of the many protocols that compose a suite. TCP/IP has its origin in the work done by the US Department of Defense. These are the layer of TCP/IP: application, transport, internet, data link, and physical. The TCP/IP suite does not define any specific protocol at the data link and physical layer. Application layer. The application layer is equivalent to combined OSI, session, presentation and application layer. TCP की एप्लीकेशन लेयर OSI की सेशन लेयर, प्रेजेंटेशन लेयर और एप्लीकेशन लेयर का कॉम्बिनेशन है. All the function handled by these three layers in the OSI are handled by the application layer in TCP/IP model. जो functions OSI की 3 लेयर करती वो TCP/IP की एप्लीकेशन लेयर कंप्लीट करती है. This layer contain all the higher level protocol like file transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. Data units at this layer is called messages. Encapsulation of data. TCP/IP protocol suite encapsulates data unit at various layers of model. At the application layer, the data unit created is called message. The transport layer adds the header to from either segment with TCP. The network or internet layer adds another header from a datagram. A self-contained message unit which contain sufficient information to allow it to be routed from the source to the destination. The protocol used at the data link layer encapsulates the datagram into frame and this is transmitted across the transmission medium. Transport layer. This layer is presented by two protocols, TCP and UDP. TCP transmission control protocol, UDP user datagram protocol. UDP is similar but is used when reliability and security are less important than size and speed, such as speech and video. Since security and reliability are essential for most applications, TCP is used more often. जहाँ सिक्योरिटी की बात आती है वहाँ पे TCP/IP यूज़ किया जाता है. ज़्यादातर एप्लीकेशन सिक्योरिटी को इम्पॉर्टेंट मानते हुए TCP को यूज़ करती है. जहाँ इम्पॉर्टेंस स्पीच और वीडियो की बात करें तो वहाँ पर UDP प्रोटोकॉल यूज़ किया जाता है. ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर. TCP is reliable connection oriented protocol, allow error free transmission. Incoming byte stream is fragmented into a number of shorter message and these are passed on the next layer. At the receiving end, TCP resemble the message into an output stream. TCP also handle flow control to control flow डाटा ट्रांसफ़र रेट. TCP एक रिलायबल सोर्स है इंफॉर्मेशन को ट्रांसमिट करने का. ये मैसेज इसमें इनकमिंग मैसेज को छोटे सेगमेंट में ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है और रिसीविंग एंड पर TCP का काम उनको वापस रीअसेंबल करना ताकि इनपुट आउटपुट स्ट्रीम यूज़ की जाए. A connection must be established between sender and receiver before transmission begin. कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश होना सबसे ज़रूरी है जब रिसीवर और सेंडर में जब ट्रांसमिशन स्टार्ट करनी है. TCP create a circuit between sender and receiver for the duration of transmission. TCP begins each transmission by alerting the receiver that segments are on their way. Each transmission is ended with connection termination. ये TCP का ही काम है ट्रांसमिशन स्टार्ट करना, कनेक्शन क्रिएट करना और एंड करना जब ट्रांसमिशन खत्म हो जाए. ईच सेगमेंट क्रिएटेड बाय टीसीपी इंक्लूड सीक्वेंसिंग नंबर फॉर reordering after receipt, an acknowledgement ID number, source address, destination address, checksum for error detection, data, and other fields. Internet or network layer. It also refers to a network layer or inter-network layer. Inter-network protocol is an unreliable and connectionless protocol. It offers a best effort delivery service, no error checking. IP does its best to get a transmission through to its destination but with no guarantee. Noise can be caused bit error during transmission. Datagrams may be discarded due to timeout errors. Example of best effort delivery service is post office. IP transport data in packets called datagram. Each datagram is transported separately. Datagram can be variable length. It is up to 64 KB. Datagram may travel along different route and may arrive out of sequence. IP does not keep track of the route. Internet protocol does not have the facility to reorder datagram once they arrive. A datagram contains a header and data. The header contains a number of fields include source and destination. Comparison of OSI and TCP/IP model. The OSI model make a clear distinction between service, interface and protocols. Each layer performs some service for layer above it. A layer's interface tells the processes above it how to access it. It specifies that what the parameters are and what result to expect. The protocol used in layer are used to get the job done.